a player who catches the ball while progressing, catches the ball, may take 2 steps in coming to a stop, passing, or shooting the ball. Sa Tagalog, ang manlalaro na nakatanggap ng bola mula sa pasa habang tumatakbo ay maaaring maagawa ng 2 hakbang para tumigil, ipasa o ishoot ang bola. Let's watch the video illustrating the 0-1-2 step. Shout out kay Commissioner Charlie Hipay ng BAP Incorporated ng Ohamaru City, New Zealand.